Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to activate the data saving mode on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your account icon from the top right corner of the screen. Then go to Settings. Now select Data Saving. At the top you will see Data Saving Mode. Simply tap the slider to activate this. That's it. From now on, YouTube will automatically adjust the below settings to save your mobile data. So in this way, you can activate the data saving mode on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.